closer look at the beautiful Royalton Splash Punta Cana Resort.
Royalton Splash Punta Cana, an autograph collection all-inclusive resort and casino, is the ideal choice for a fun-filled family vacation in paradise. This luxury 5-stars resort is home to the sprawling Splash Water Park, one of the largest resort water parks in the Caribbean, featuring a wave pool, 7 monster slides and 2 kid-friendly slides.
Memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head.
Outstanding hotel with lovely, welcoming staff who completely made our holiday. Loads of space around the pools with loungers available through the day. Lovely, spacious rooms with comfortable beds, good showers, mini bar, working safe and balcony. Restaurant-wise, there are a number that you can use while staying at Splash. Our favorite was the Italian over at Royalton, right next to the beach buffet at lunch and a la carte dinner. Mexican Splash has a good atmosphere, tasty food, but small portions. Tip Beans at Splash does ice cream. We thought only Scoops at Royalton did until our last day. Both are great for grabbing a coffee and cake if you prefer for breakfast or a much-needed snack after swimming. The Buffet restaurant has a great selection of tasty food, is spacious, so not too crowded or noisy, and again, the staff were all great. The pools are fantastic, huge and well kept. No lifeguard if that's important to you, but tons of staff on hand. The water park is amazing. Our kids are 11 and 15, and plenty to keep them occupied, though the smaller kids area also looked fantastic. Great family fun, also plenty of really good lifeguards here. The staff at both hotels are amazing, really helpful and friendly, which we find makes a huge difference to a holiday. Some tips were given by us and others, but not all, and we didn't feel pressure to do so. The beach is gorgeous, sea great for swimming in strong undertow, so be careful with children. Never felt hassled by sellers on the beach and felt safe at all times. At the end of the video, we will summarize everything and briefly list the pluses and minuses of this hotel. Upscale rooms with free mini bars, some with bunk beds and whirlpool tubs, kids and teens clubs, big buffet restaurant, and 3 a la carte options. No reservations required, multiple bars, plus snack bar and ice cream bar. Theater for evening entertainment. Guests get access to some amenities at neighboring Royalton Punta Cana. Lots of regular activities for children and adults. 15-minute drives from Punta Cana Airport and the tourist sites of Bavaro. Free, frequent shuttle to beach at Royalton next door. Free Wi-Fi throughout. Not directly on the beach. Lobby, buffet, and water park can get crowded. Smoking permitted in many areas. May bother some guests. No reservation policy can mean long waits for dinner. Pools close at 7 p.m., too early for some. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
Don't want to mislead. This is all you need. Be your everything, and I'll be yours.